What's good, YouTube? It's still Kwame Kwame. Kwame is a Forex trader here in Ghana, and so if you just joined the channel, then a quick subscription to the channel would do. You know, we are glad of you becoming part of the family. You feel me? And so, as well as if you are an old subscriber, if you've been with us all this while, then I appreciate the love. Keep sticking with me because the grind is not about to end. All right, so you guys know market's about to open, right? Market, as at now that I'm recording the video, market is still closed. We are left with a couple of hours for market to be open, and so I just feel like it will be good for me to analyze the market for you guys to know my analysis or my take on the market, my predictions on the market when market opens, what I'll be expecting and all of that. So you guys know that I'm in a trade as well. You feel me? I'm in a trade as well. I'm in a trade where I held a trade over the weekend, and so we are still in it. We are waiting for trade to hit full TP. You feel me? If it's a loss, fine. If it's full TP, fine. You feel me? The psychology is being mastered. And so without wasting much of a precious time, subscribe once again. If you've been with me, I appreciate the love. Like, share the video for others to get it and all of that. So let me take you guys right inside of my screens so I can analyze the chart for you guys to know. Wow, one, this particular setup or this particular pair is a USD card. USD card. And so let me refresh in my chart because I think the chart is not really loaded and all of that. So USD card. All right, so USD card. As you can see, USD card is on a bull run. USD card is in a bullish run, and so what we traders, what me in particular, like myself in particular, what I will be looking whenever I come to the market is I open the monthly time frame to know where is the market actually heading. That's the only way I can get to predict the direction of the market and so make some money out of it. So I can see that market actually broke a structure over here because the market was giving us, though it's in a bullish market or it's in a bullish trend, we have to look at the structure as well, because you can't be buying at any point of the market or at any point in the market, or because it's in a bullish it's in a bullish trend. So market was giving me high, low, lower high, lower low, a break of it, higher high, higher low, and then there's some equal highs over here, dropped and then broke it. So we can consider all this side to be how do you call it, a consolidation, you feel me, and then finally a breakout of it. So what you expect when market breaks out of a consolidation, or when market breaks a high or a low, when market breaks a high or a low, the next target for market or buyers is the immediate high. So this is gonna be the immediate high over here. So I'm expecting market to come reach this particular point, and then whatever it feels like doing, it can sell from there, it can bounce up from there as well. Feel me? So now the monthly has shown me my direction, because the monthly broke out of this particular side and then it's actually rallying to the upside. And so me, when I come on the market and I want to be a buyer, I'll be targeting this particular side. You feel me? Yeah. So on the monthly actually broke out of this prison wall. You feel me? This force over here. So I feel like monthly should boom, because the month is nowhere. It's not yet done. The month is not yet completed. You feel me? So the possibility of the month moving extra more will be higher. You feel me? So I quickly go to my weekly. So on the weekly too, we can see how the weekly is also bullish. You feel me? So monthly bullish, weekly bullish, then it's actually telling us something. And besides, I still have EMA still beneath the weekly structure as well, which is clearly telling us that the market is actually moving to the upside and has no intention of stopping or dropping anywhere soon or anytime soon. So for the weekly, we can say here is a weekly zone. You can say here is a weekly zone, or here will be a place or an area of interest where resistance zone where price has broken it and and maybe somewhere in the future it can turn as support, which is market my pullback like this and then shoot to the upside, you feel me? Yes. So but when market has broken a high like this, we don't expect pullbacks at the moment, you feel me? Because market might be still going, and we will still find ourselves waiting for pullback without catching anything, you feel me? So we quickly scale down to the daily as well to find structure, immediate highs and immediate lows for market to come and then retest it, so that we can catch the buys. Because we can't buy at any point or at any reckless place on the market, you feel me? Or at any place on the market. It's never done like that. So the daily, this is a resistance zone the daily is giving me right now. And I feel like if market should be coming here, then the possibility of market dropping to this particular side is also high. So if market gets here, definitely it will get here too, you feel me? So the daily is also bullish, and so my 4-hour time frame, I need to go on my 4-hour time frame to know the exact place to buy or to sell. Sorry, the exact place to buy. Sorry. Yeah. So then I quickly go on my 4-hour. Yes. So this is how the 4-hour is looking. Now the 4-hour structure is giving me higher highs and lows. So this is where I'll be patiently waiting for market to drop and have a retest for me to buy. I will be interested in buying the market over here, and I'll target, I think, from this particular side to this side. It's like crazy, but I don't think market will just rally all the way to the upside over here without retesting. The market will do a retest, but at the moment we should be aiming for a little. We should be aiming for a little at the moment, because the market will be moving like crazy. So maybe after the pullback, the market will be doing that and all of that. So I think so. USD card, expect a pullback on this particular side, on this particular 4-hour level, and then join it and ride all the way to the upside. So maybe me, I'm the type who really risk, or who usually risk like a 20 pip. So like I'll risk a 20 pip on this trade to catch let's say 180 whatever pips, you feel me? Yes. So I'm patiently wait for market to drop on this particular side, because the 4-hour is still bullish, and I don't see anything or any obstacle holding the 4-hour right now. Yeah. So this is my analysis on USD card. Yeah, because I feel like market should be targeting this particular place. Yeah. So USD card, we have to be buying on USD card like that until we get a break of structure. Because guys, we will not be just buying when market get here. We will not just throw ourselves on the market when market get here. We need to get confirmations to know that are we safe to buy here or not, you feel me? Yes. So that's the only place, or that's the only thing that could help us avoid if market wants to drop to this particular side, so that we can avoid a loss, you feel me? So let's quickly move to another pair. So this Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So AUD USD. You know, since the USD is on a bullish run, I feel like all these pairs should be dropping as well. Because when you come here, USD, AUD USD, for the US dollar, this particular pair has the US dollar to be the quote currency, you feel me, or the last currency. And if the USD is a base currency in a pair that is the USD card, then I feel like when USD card is rising, AUD USD should be dropping as well, because at this particular point USD is strengthening, and so it should drag this particular one also to the downside. So just as I said, or just as I analyzed in the other one, when I get on the market, what I usually watch on the monthly time frame is my immediate highs and lows. Are they still keeping it? Are they still keeping their form? So when I come on a monthly time frame on USD, AUD USD, I get to know that the lows are being taken. This was the low. Now the low is being taken, and then market targeted this particular low. But if you look closely, or if you watch closely, you could see the market broke this low a little bit also. You feel me? Market broke it at this particular point. Market broke it a little bit, and so what I am expecting is for market to, since the monthly is not yet over, I would have to scale down to the weekly to know what I want on that particular site or on that particular time frame too. So now the weekly, why do I keep saying daily? The weekly is also bearish as well, because we broke this particular low, and then this particular low right here also. This is where I feel like market should be targeting, here or here. So the weekly is also giving me, what was the weekly structure? High, low, higher high, a break of the low with the bar, and some price in a way tested it over here, rejected, and then boom. So I feel like when market has dropped massively like this, drastically like this, it should be still bleeding to the downside. It should still be bleeding. So the weekly is also bearish as well. The weekly has broken a whole lot of lows. You feel me? So daily structure, or the daily time frame. Sorry. Yes. So now the daily has also broken beneath this particular level. This level was serving as an area of interest because we had multiple touches over here, and at the same time on a psychological level. So when I want to be a seller, I can't just throw myself on the market and sell. I have to wait for market to get to a resistance zone and then sell, because I only get to sell from a resistance zone. You guys, they bob. Yeah. So this setup right here is 147 pip. I swing trade only. So what the daily is telling me is I'm wanting for market to pull back over here and a drop. So the 4 hour to make us see what the 4 hour today tell me. Because the 4 hour also has to be confirming what the daily, the weekly, and the monthly is saying. So at this particular point, I feel like the 4 hour is giving me some sort of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But I want market to rally around like this, change structure and be like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then when it reaches here, I get a structure change over here as well, so I can successfully shoot myself to the downside. This is a valid trade over here. 147 pips. AUD USD analyze, USD card analyze. So let's take Euro USD. So on Euro USD, it's also giving me the same vibe as the AUD USD. I'm waiting for pullback on this particular side, and then when I get a change of structure on the 4 hour, it will confirm that market wants to drop, so that I get it from there. I get myself from there. So the monthly, let me just take it from the monthly so you guys will know what I want. So this is the monthly. Just like I told you guys, when I come on the market, I look at my immediate highs and lows and look at market structure and look at the trend, because market structure at the end of the day is going to tell you the trend. So market broke this particular low. I'm waiting, or I'm hoping market continue dropping to the downside, probably to this particular place, because after all, when you look at the Euro USD chart, the overall trend is bearish. You feel me? The overall trend is bearish. So I want market to actually bleed some more to the downside. That's what I'm expecting right now. So I'm gonna quickly scale down to the weekly time frame. Now this is the weekly time frame, and when I open the weekly time frame, you can see how price also rejected here and served as an area of interest. You feel me? This particular place, price has rejected for multiple times. You feel me? And so it's kind of like it has something similar like the AUD USD. I want market to get to this particular point very well, and then give me a structure change, because I can't be selling when all the time frames are telling me one thing. with the exception of the 4 hour, then I'll still be selling. It doesn't make any sense, you feel me? I have to sell when all time frames are saying the same thing. So at this particular point, the 4 hour is also bullish. Lower high, lower low, higher low, and then higher high, higher low. So I'm waiting for market to get to this particular place, and then change structure as well. Then we can boom to the downside like this. So guys, the analysis just be simple. It really takes time. People don't get how you can become good at something over time. I didn't just get good at this overnight. It took me a whole lot of time to get to this particular point. And I know say clearly you go pick a better. Alright, so let's look at the last pair. I have 4 pairs on my watch list analyzed, you feel me? So USD CHF. Let's take this one and then let's wrap up the video and probably might call it a day or something, you feel me? So USD CHF, I have my psychologicals drawn, just like I've been saying. Alright, so what's the structure saying? Low, high, low, lower low, higher high, because we've broken above this particular high and market dropped all the way to reject this particular place. But even with the rejection that market rejected over here, you could see that this particular low is higher than this. So market is just trying to give us a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I'm expecting market to aim for this particular high, because if there's a rejection over here, then the next particular point market should be targeting is this particular high. If it makes sense, just give me thumbs up in the comment section. It make fucking sense. All right, so this is how the chart is looking on on the monthly. So then I quickly go to my weekly, because before I will be putting my money on the chart or on a trade, I have to make sure the trade is very, very authentic and all of that, you feel me? So when I come on the weekly time frame, right now the weekly is also telling me that we are all good. Maybe I might end up taking this particular setup and then probably the AUD USD or the USD card and consider the Euro USD to be fourth, you feel me? Yeah, so the weekly is also confirming that we want to go to the upside, because the weekly was giving us a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then a break of it, and then a retest, so higher high, higher low, and then boom, so this is what the weekly is also telling me. Weekly is confirming. The weekly, the monthly, they are saying one particular thing. The daily, let's look at the daily. When we come on the daily, we can see the daily is also giving us higher highs and lows. So all what is left for us to do is get a resistance zone to be turned as support, and then buy from there, because we only get to buy from a support zone. You only get to buy from support zones, and then you only get to sell from resistance zones. You feel me? Yeah, so it's just simple as that. So this right here is my immediate resistance zone, where price would likely drop to, and then test it at the same time, test the EMA, and then boom to the upside. So this trade is also 175 pips. This is not even up to the full potential of where the target is, you feel me? Yes, this is not even up to the full target, and we will already be making 170 something pips on this. So now the 4 hour, let's look at the 4 hour too. A lower low instead of a higher low. So right now we want the market the 4 hour trend to continue like this: lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then when it gets to this particular point of the retest, it will successfully change structure, and then boom, we take it from there. So simple as it gets. So simple. So just as the 4 hour is telling me, my 4 hour is my most powerful time frame. I've been telling you guys, the more you do this, I don't know however way or whatever way you're gonna go about this, but you would also develop your own way of getting something out of the market. You feel me? You also develop your own way. So it is what it is. These are my top 4 charts. USD CHF will be rising, USD CAD will be rising, AUD USD will be dropping, Euro USD would also be dropping. If you find the video super interesting, a quick subscription to the channel would do. Subscribe, like the video, comment, share it so that others will get to watch it. We are still on a profit account journey, a journey or a road to forever successful, bro. Who knows, bro? We might be doing it crazily and all of that. So I'm gonna end the video over here. See you guys. Peace out.